Hey, they make a mistake and float on the top. Oh, and anyway, so they make a mistake and float on the top. You're gonna see them. And you make a cast, we got the wind to our back right now, and they were, I don't know, 60, 70 feet off the front. And there's so much grass in here, you gotta use a weedless bait to get their attention, keep it off the grass. He's running right at me. Oh yeah. It's good fish there. Uh-huh. Gotcha. That's a good one. That's actually a pretty solid slot fish. Hanging out there with the big boys. Absolute smash that. Quality Charlotte Harbor fish right there.